Dear students, for class 9, our today's topic is chapter 3rd coordinate geometry, and we will take some basic things related for this topic. On a plain paper, if we draw two perpendicular lines, one is horizontal and other is vertical, then plain paper is converted into the Cartesian plane or a coordinate plane by the drawing of these lines. To locate the position of an object or a point in a plane, in a general normal plane paper, and if we find the position of this point on a plane paper, we require two perpendicular lines. One of them is horizontal and other is vertical. The horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis, and the plane is called the Cartesian plane or the coordinate plane, and lines are called coordinate axis. Both the lines, x-axis and y-axis, both are called the coordinate axis. And with the help of these lines and the plane paper, our plane paper is converted into the coordinate plane, and we can find the location of any point or any object. Next, here the quadrant. If we draw the two lines, horizontal and vertical, then plane paper is divided into four parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is called quadrant. The quadrant coordinate axis divide the plane into four parts. These are called quadrant. Next point is origin. What is the origin? The origin is the meeting point of this line. Intersecting, the point of intersection of the axis is called the origin. If we draw the horizontal and vertical line, then the meeting point of this axis is called the origin. Next, and the coordinate of the origin, and coordinate of origin is the 0, 0. What is the coordinate? Coordinate is the position of a point from the origin to the point in a coordinate plane. For finding the position of any point, here the point is, this is the point, and whose coordinate is xy. And xy are in a ordered pair, and we can find with the perpendicular distance of this xy. What is x? X is the x coordinate, and it can be derived from the perpendicular distance from the point to the y-axis, and y coordinate is the perpendicular distance from x-axis. So x coordinate is the distance from y-axis and y coordinate is the distance from x-axis. For finding the coordinate of any point, we can find the distance from the y-axis and distance from the x-axis, and both are in a pair. This is called ordered pair. And the coordinate of a point on x-axis of the form x0, because on the x-axis y coordinate is 0 and on the y-axis x coordinate is 0. So the coordinate of any point on the x-axis, suppose this is x-axis, and coordinate of any point on the x-axis is of the form x0, because y coordinate is 0, and on the y-axis the coordinate of the form 0y, because x coordinate is 0. On the x-axis x0 and on the y-axis 0y. This is the coordinate of any point on x-axis and y-axis. Next thing is the x coordinate. X coordinate is called the abscissa. X coordinate is called abscissa, and the y coordinate is called ordinate. So what is abscissa? Abscissa is the x coordinate of any point, and ordinate is the y coordinate of any point. And x coordinate is the perpendicular distance from y axis, and y coordinate is the perpendicular distance from x axis to the point, and this is called the coordinate of any point. Next thing is for finding the position of a point in a quadrant, this is the helpful things. In the first quadrant, x coordinate and y coordinate both are positive. In the second, x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. In the third quadrant, both are negative, and in the fourth quadrant, x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. And it is very helpful for finding the quadrant, yeah, or the position of point in a quadrant or the axis. Here we can find some example. It is very helpful for finding this type of question. In which of the following points lying or the quadrant or the axis? Suppose first example is 2 3, and 2 3 is both are positive, so the point 2 3 is lie in first quadrant. Second, minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3 both are negative, so it is lie in third quadrant. 5 0, 5 0 is the x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 0, so it is lying on x axis. Next, 0 minus 3, first 5 0 is lying on this position, it is lying on x axis. And 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3 lying on in this position on the negative side of y axis, so it is lying on y axis. And next, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4 is the first x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative, so plus minus is lying on fourth quadrant. So it is very helpful for finding the position of any point in a quadrant or a axis. These are the basic things for this chapters. Next we will take some practice question for this.